You know, I love creating a look for less dupes. And right now, I am not able to make them myself. But since it's summer, I thought I would share 10 coastal inspired look for less dupes that require absolutely no DIYs whatsoever. Hey there, welcome back to Mi Casa. My name is Yami and I am your Latina next door. So I know a lot of you are curious, and I don't have a lot of updates to share on the interior portion of my YouTube studio. That's because we have been working on the exterior. My dad came up for a few days. My husband has been working outside during his off time, and I have been actually helping as well in order to create the exterior portion of the YouTube studio as more square footage and a fun place for our kids to hang out. You might even hear my kids in the background because they are enjoying a pool that we set up for them. So I will be sharing more information and revealing those projects to you all in the next few weeks. And so today I am going to be recreating a high-end coastal inspired dining space for you all. I created a mood board with all of my high-end findings, and I also created a mood board with dupes to replace all of those high-end pieces with much more affordable pieces that you can buy right away, no DIYing required. So here are all the pieces that I found in order to create a beautiful mood board that is coastal inspired for a dining room area. Now at the end of the video, I will share all of the items together that I have found that were dupes, and I want you to tell me if they were very close to the original high-end ones. And the reason I thought this would be fun to share with you all is because since I'm not in a place where I can actually create these things myself, and there are other people out there who aren't necessarily DIYers, I wanted to share how easily you can find something online that looks just like a high-end piece for a whole lot less. First off, we are going to start with these Pottery Barn lanterns. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love the two-tone look on them. And for the pair, it is $449. And that's pretty pricey to me. However, Kirkland's has some that are so similar and also come in a pair. They have the same wood and metal look to them, and they're only $104.99 for the pair. So that is over $300 in instant savings. Next, we're going to look at this Serena and Lily beautiful gold chandelier. Now, if you remember, this chandelier looks a lot like the one that I had in my previous home above my kitchen island. Only difference is that this one's gold and the other one was a dark bronze. Now, it's Serena and Lily. I love all of their stuff, but I am not a fan of their prices because they're a little bit up there. So for the chandelier original, it's $1,698. However, Home Depot has one that looks very similar in look and size and color, and that one is only $249. So that is a huge savings right there. Now, I love a good display cabinet, especially this particular style. And Ballard Design has this one that's a two-tone cabinet for over $2,000. $2,099 to be exact. And as of right now, it is on sale. However, I found one that looks almost exactly like it on Wayfair. Now, just last week, when I pulled this up, this was only about $1,300 on Wayfair. It was on sale. Now it's back up to $1,779. You still have a few $100 savings on there. However, I would suggest that you would wait and look for this when it goes on sale and then get it then. Now, to really bring in that coastal feel, I am going to be sharing this Ballard Design piece of artwork. It is absolutely breathtaking. I love the colors. I love that it's a little bit abstract. And for this one, it is $629. Now, I found one similar size and similar look over at Kirkland's. And the one in Kirkland's is actually only $97.49. I love how you still get those colors, still get that nice high-end artwork type feel, but at a fraction of the cost. Now, this next one is a fun one and really has that coastal feel. And it doesn't feel cheesy. And it is a rope mirror. I found this rope mirror over at Serena and Lily. And the price of this is $798. Now, you can definitely recreate this on your own. You all know that I love creating Serena and Lily rope dupes or just rope dupes in general or rope DIYs for my home. It's so much fun. It's so inexpensive and really easy to do. But if you don't have the time or the supplies and would just rather buy one that looks almost exactly like this, check this out. At Home actually has one that looks almost identical to it for only $79.99. That is pretty amazing. This is another one that's going to blow you away. It is this beautiful round table. Round tables are just so nice because they inspire a lot of conversation. Everybody is like evenly spaced around it. And this one from Restoration Hardware is pretty pricey, starting at $3,255. Now, there are member pricing and discounts and stuff that you can get through Restoration Hardware. I've never purchased from them, so I don't know how you can do that. I don't know how you become a member, but you definitely can get discounted pricing and sale prices on some of their stuff. However, I found an even better deal on Wayfair, a very similar round table with the same finish, and this one is only $739.99 for the same aesthetic. All right, so that table definitely needs some chairs, and I am a sucker for a slip-covered chair. These ones over at Serena and Lily are quite expensive. These are $1,498 a piece, not for a pair, not for six, a piece. If you get six of them, which usually dining tables usually have six, right? That's $8,988 for six chairs. Holy cow. However, you can head on over to IKEA's website and find yourself a slip-covered chair for only $135. For six of them, you're only paying $810, and that right there is just a ridiculous savings. All right, so for this next one, we're going to anchor our room with a rug, and I am a sucker for a beautiful rug. I just think they just make a room feel so much more cozy. And I found one over at Ballard Designs. Now, as far as rugs go, this isn't so bad. This one for an 8x10 is only $559. However, if you want to save a little bit more money, you can go over to Boutique Rugs, and they have one with sort of a similar pattern as well as coloration. And this one only costs $379. All right, let's talk about vases because I love decorative vases in the space, especially ones that have like a little bit more of an artisanal and rough look to them. These Pottery Barn vases range from $149 to $169. However, you can go to Kirkland's and you can save a little bit of money on some that are similar to this. And yes, they always have sales going on, so you can get them even cheaper. But for similar sized ones, you can buy them for $89 or $129. Of course, you can always make them yourself. I have done this as well, and you can save even more. And lastly, I found this fun bar cart over at Pottery Barn. This one is currently on sale for $349. And I love the look, the two-tone, the metal with the wood. And of course, it's functional, so you can really use it in a dining room space. However, Walmart has something that looks so similar to this, both in the two-tone metal and wood, and it's only $43. So I thought I would add up all of the high-end pieces as well as all of the lower-end dupes and share the difference in price. So if you add everything up for a six-piece dining space with the high-end pieces, you're going to be spending $19,142 versus if you buy everything in the lower-end dupes side, you're only going to be spending $4,502. Again, that's for a 6-piece dining room set. So the difference between these two spaces is $14,620. And the differences are very minimal. Some of these pieces look almost identical to each other, which is what I absolutely love about recreating spaces with more inexpensive options. I will have all of these products, both the high end as well as the Look for Less Dupes, listed individually on my blog post on my newly revamped website. I am so excited. I just released it last week. I really wanted a website with a homepage where you can navigate very easily and find exactly what you're looking for. There's so much to offer and so many different topics that I have gone over in the past several years, and I really wanted it to be easy for you all to navigate. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So I would love it if you head on over there and let me know what you think of the newly redesigned website. Thank you all so much for being here this week, and I appreciate your patience as we continue to work on our tiny home studio area. And I can't wait to share more because we have a lot of content coming up for you all. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, adios.